All right. In this video, I will be showing you how to process the data you receive from your survey in Excel. So what I've done here is preloaded my workbook with the point, reference, description, foresight, and backsight, and then the low, medium, and high readings that you should receive in a technical survey form. I've also added the instrument measurement heights here, benchmark 1, 2, and 3, and noted to myself that I set benchmark 1 as my reference point. It's also helpful to include the sketch while I'm doing this, so I can make sure that all of the positive and negative values when I'm defining my X and Y points will make sense. Now, I won't go through the full example here because this is the information that you'll be asked to complete for your example project, but I'll go through one line to show you the process in which I get it done. So first, we want to do our sanity check, right? Delta 1 and delta 2 is going to be our high minus medium value and our medium minus low value. And what we want to check here is that delta 1 minus delta 2 or delta 2 minus delta 1 is going to be 0. That is ideal. That would be in a perfect world. But as you may see, as you go through the survey data, some of these values aren't exactly 0. And what we're checking for is that this value is less than or equal to 0.001. And this is all in meters. So we've done our check. We know our point is valid. We want to find its X and Y coordinates in relation to our reference point, benchmark 1. So for point A, we can use our diagram, and we know it's going to be a positive Y value and a negative X value in relation to this point. So we know our distance, X, is going to be our high minus low times 100 and times -1 because it's behind this point. And we know our Y value is going to be our measurement we've made, our height of the instrument So this was taken at instrument location 1 or benchmark 1. So we're going to use the height of our instrument at benchmark 1 minus our reading. And that should give our Y value for the height. And remember, as you start to move across the survey, these numbers get a little more complicated. You need to remember what you're adding to each other. So sometimes it's helpful to do a relative X and Y and then an absolute X and Y value to make sure that you're keeping track of everything.